GAC Aion Hyper HT starts at just $29,520 and includes battery replacement support. The cheapest version of the flashy model starts at under $30,000, while the flagship model starts at $45,000. GAC Aion's intriguing Hyper HT has just been priced in China, and like many new electric vehicles in the country, it's much more affordable than you'd expect. 6 different hardware levels of GAC Aion Hyper HT will be sold. The core of the lineup includes the RWD Technology Edition and RWD Battery Replacement Edition models, both priced at 213,900 yuan or the equivalent of $29,520. The RWD Technology Edition has a 72.7 kWh battery pack that powers an electric motor with 241 horsepower and 262 lb-ft, 355 Nm, of torque at the rear wheels. According to the Chinese test cycle, it can reach 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 6.8 seconds and travel 600 km, 373 miles, on a charge. As the name suggests, the RWD Battery Swap Edition supports battery swapping and has a slightly smaller 70 kWh pack but the same 241 horsepower and 262 lb-ft, 355 Nm. It has a range of 550 km, 342 miles. Those looking for a little more performance can opt for the RWD high-voltage version priced at 229,900 yuan, $31,725, the RWD high-voltage NDA version priced at 244,900 yuan, $33,795, and the RWD gullwing doors high-voltage NDA version for 285,900 yuan, $39,450. All 3 of these versions feature an 80 kWh battery and a more powerful electric motor with 340 horsepower and 317 lb-ft, 430 Nm, of torque, reducing the 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, acceleration to 5.8 seconds. Each has a range of 670 km, 416 miles. At the top of the range is the high-voltage maximum version of RWD gullwing doors. The price of this model starts at 329,900 yuan, $45,520, and has a larger 93 kWh battery pack. It's good to go 770 km, 478 miles, on one charge. All versions except the flagship model can be optioned with the 12,000 yuan, $1,655, luxury package, which adds Nappa leather, a 10-point massage function for the driver and front passenger seats, and heated rear seats.